Hello, this is Gary from our Paradise Farm in Bratt, Florida. Yes, this is what I look like. You don't see me much. Usually that screen is turned around, which is going to happen right now. This is the ongoing leaking problem that I have. As you can see, I'm going to turn this fan off. As you can see, I have added new PEX to help seal up the area. I've used thread plumbing, the white thread seal to go on the threads, help that. And this is the shower head. And I'm going to put you on pause and go to the other room. Here I added a new faucet. So, as we continue with our little projects, I am now using a fan, as you can tell, to dry out the trailer. And then I'll have to be able to clean up this and reseal it again and repair the sheetrock. So, if you'll hit the thumbs up for like, make sure the bell's on, and hit the red follow button, or whatever you want to call it, and we'll keep you up to date with what we do at the farm. Talk to you later.